Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to unblock YouTube users. Now we're going to work on how to unblock YouTube users from your blocked list on Google account. So let's start from there. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube, and the next thing you tap on your profile icon where there's you written there, and the next thing you're going to tap on Google account. You can see Google account here. Once you tap on, it's going to open up your Google account, and next thing you're going to do is going to scroll a little up here until you see people and sharing. Tap on it, and then you scroll down until you see blocked. Tap on blocked. Now if you look at this, you will see that I have no blocked users, no user currently blocked. But if you've blocked a particular person or some group of people on YouTube, you will see their list there, and what you do is that right next to their name you see the option for X or unblock. Then simply unblock them, and from now on they can now interact with your channel. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.